Navreh Mubarak, Navreh Mubarak, Navreh Mubarak, Lasiv, Naviv to Faliv. 6 April 2019, 5 वरिये Navreh Mubarak, 5095th year, 5095th year, as per the Kashmiri Nechpatar, Kashmiri Pandit Almanac, going uninterrupted for the last 5095 years since the 7 sages went to Hari Parvat and had the first counting at Sakrishwar. Mata Sharda at Sakrishwar. On this very important day, they started the counting of the counting of this Navreh. From that day, 5000 today is 5095th year, and Kashmiri Pandits are celebrating it. Mubarak, Mubarak, Mubarak. Lasiv Naviv Te Faliv.